Driving without insurance. Traffic, insurance. I don't know what it's called.
You scheduled, so I don't know if I'll get it or not. You're wanting a payment plan, is that it?
Yeah. I'm starting a.
You don't have insurance still?
Not at the moment.
Are you driving still?
No, I got it right here.
Was there an accident?
No.
So I'll tell you what I tend to do on these things, if you want to get insurance and you would bring in proof of insurance, I would probably dismiss this at your cost. So instead of $402.50, it cost you $60. But I have to see proof of insurance.
Yes, sir.
You want to go that route?
Um,
Or do you want to just pay the bill and pay the $402.88?
See, I'm starting a new job pretty soon, and that's why I asked for the payment plan, because I didn't know when I was going to be able to get my first paycheck to get insurance.
So you want to pay guilty is what you're saying?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And I called to see if I can pay it off in a month and a half, but they said that they could only do a month. But I don't know how the
I've got power to do
pay period is for the new
whatever I
job.
want to do, so. Let's see. And so what do you have in mind here?
I start my new job after I pass the physical and drug screen, which is Wednesday, and I probably won't start until...
You'll be able to pass it.
Yes. And
Where are you going to work?
Pro Line in Linton,
What is your mailing address?
412 Main Street, P.O. Box 54.
Yeah, that's what I mean, it's your P.O. Box. 54
Yep.
in,
Linton, Iowa.
what's the zip there?
50561, I believe.
So, tell me about your payment plan. It's $402.50.
Yeah, I plan to pay 20 today, and then on my first paycheck, pay 20, and then on my second paycheck, just pay it all off.
So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to give you until October. I'll give you until October 24th to get it paid.
Okay.
And I'm going to set a show cause hearing for October 27th.
What's your show cause hearing?
That's when I put you in jail for 10 days if it's not paid.
Okay. It should be paid by then.
I'm not the one who's going to have to go to jail, so I don't really care,
Understandable, sir.
I get you 45 days to get it paid. There you go. Send the next person in, please.
Yes, sir.
Howdy, Your Honor.
She's with me.
What's your name?
Melissa Sandiego.
Pardon?
Melissa Sandiego.
Okay, so you're charged with driving while suspended. Sorry about that. I thought that was going to be a little easier fix than that. But all right, so what do you want to do here?
I wish to plead guilty I'd like to set up a payment plan, and, they have the car currently on hold at Denny's in Lakeview. Is there any way you could lift, I wanna salvage it.
It's going to, if she gets it back from the junkyard, it's going straight to the junkyard.
You need to talk to law enforcement about that. I don't have any authority about that.
Okay.
Pull that worship, please. What is your mailing address?
533 West 2nd, Odebo, Iowa 51458.
You know, if you don't have a driver's license, you can't drive.
It's because it was suspended it was kind of a mess because I had to have SR 22 and then it expired and they reinstated it, but they reinstated it as regular insurance and not SR 22, so that was why it was suspended in the first place. And then
Are you eligible to get it back?
2017, we sent it to DOT. I'm a single mother, it's really hard.
Why did you lose it?
It's difficult because of SR 22 expiring.
It's hard to believe that they would withhold it till
Yeah.
2007.
That's what they said, 2 years.
There has to have been some other,
No, there was another, it's because I've had 2 offenses already.
okay, that's because of that.
Mhm.
It's not because your SR expired, it's because you drove without license.
I was good until the SR 22
Right,
expired.
but then after that, you drove. They don't take it unless you drive without a license. So how much time do you need? It's $397.50. And I guess I'd let you pay $100 a month. That's the least I'm gonna take. So, today is September 8th. So I'm gonna say by January 9th of 2015. And I don't really care how much you pay them in, but if you're wise, you will start paying right away. So I'm gonna set a show cause hearing for January 12th. And if it's not paid, I'll put you in jail for 10 days.
Okay.
I fully appreciate it's difficult to have a family and not drive. You know, what you need to do is not lose your license in the first place.
Exactly.
But out here in the country, it's awfully, awfully tough. What do you do for a living?
I'm a cook. But I worked in packing plants for 22 years.
Where at?
Denison at Farmland, IBP. I worked in Sioux City at John Morrell for 10 years. Was a supervisor for 9.5 of them.
So why'd you quit now?
The plant closed. Or I'd still be there.
How about Denison?
One of my kids got sick and I missed too many days, so I pointed out in Denison.
And how old were your kids?
14 and 15. They lost their dad 2.5 years ago in a car accident. So I've been struggling ever since.
All right, here you go.
won't see me ever again in here.
There you go.
Thank you.
25 years since I've
That's
seen
next.
you.
Pardon?
I've never been in
25
this
years
room.
since I've seen you.
What's your name again?
Stapleton Mark.
Yeah, thought you looked. A lot of water under the bridge, huh?
Thank
Yep.
you, Your Honor.
See ya.
Yep, send the next person in, please. I did it on the state's request because you're out of jail. Ben's gone to military training, so I set it for next week. They're gonna, they'll file in district court before then.
What do you mean filing district?
Oh, it's a charge that goes into district court, it's a, what, is it an aggravated, I can't remember, maybe a serious and an aggravated, or a couple, or the class D felonies on.
They're felony.
Anyway, is he supposed to call?
I thought he was. Then I think he went on vacation too or something, so that's why I showed up today. I was just making sure
Well,
that
anyway,
wasn't.
it's now set for next week.
So I'm all right.
Yep.
Fine.
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, yeah.
Plus, you see they filed those new charges.
The child, yeah.
They wanted a warrant, and I said, no, I was gonna just summon you, so
And I got, that's next week, right?
I think so, yeah. You think, sometimes I get the impression you think that I think you're the only defendant out there, but I've got 100 of these things going at once.
Sometimes people's priorities in the wrong place.
Yeah, I understand that your charges are the only.
Sometimes people's priorities are in the wrong place.
There you go.
Thanks, Mr. Bush.
You bet. So, Mr. Gosh, what's the deal here?
Guess it depends on which one I'm here for.
Well, it's for you're picking up your property. I've issued summonses to you. And you didn't show up.
The one that
What's the
I
status of your
had.
property?
Okay. The whole deal with that. I had even called down here. I had talked to Mark about all this. I was not getting my mail delivered to me for how long? I really can't say. I'd say
I don't care
several
about
months.
that. I want to know what the status is on your property.
I guess I thought I had it pretty well done. I know I still had the couch sitting there that they were worried about. The only reason it was still sitting there, I took it out of the back of my truck to haul some other stuff. I was moving a TV and a
This
bunch
was
of...
filed July 12th, now it's almost September 12th, so that's almost 60 days. I'm really very interested in listening to excuses. I want to know what the status is. And if it's not cleaned up, when are you going to have it cleaned up?
I work on it the best I can, sir. I mean, I'm home for 2 days a week. It's kind of hard to get a lot of stuff done in 2 days.
It really isn't hard to get a lot of stuff done in 2 days. If you get up in the morning and you work all day, and
Well, I get up in the morning
and work
but-
all day, you get a lot done.
I mean, it's nice to be able to spend a little time with my kids too,
Sure it is.
you know.
Sure it is, but
I mean, I
sometimes,
try to-
sometimes you just have to take
Well, I
care of
know.
business first.
You know, I try to dedicate one day at least to my kids, so
I mean, I feel like out of jail. I'm assuming you don't like being in jail, but maybe you
No.
do.
not at all.
So, I want a firm plan here if I'm going to let you out.
I would say in that case, well, I'm supposed to be gone all week again.
Where are you going?
Charles City. That's where the job's at that we're doing. I'll be gone
What is
home.
your occupation again?
I'm an installer. I install feed lines, water lines, all this, and chicken barns. Right now it's a nest job, so we're putting in the nesting system for 30,000 eggs a day. But I would be back Friday. I mean, I could say by Sunday, I can have everything done, taken care of.
Okay. So, I'm gonna tell the city that they should file a report with me on the 15th. And if it's not taken care of, then, you know, you need to show up on the 22nd. Probably gonna give you 30 days in jail for contempt.
Like I said,
Everybody lose weight, they tell me, you know, they say the food's not the best. Although it's, you know, that song by Tom T. Hall, you know, about how you ever heard that song where he's in jail and first he spends all his money on ordering pizza because he thinks he's getting out the next day, and then he keeps getting these bologna sandwiches, and finally the sheriff's wife starts looking good to him after. It's a funny song. All right, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to say, you're out, you can go to work. I want it cleaned up by 8 o'clock on September 15th, and have the police department.
September 15th.
It's a week from today. I'll give you all weekend. And if it's not done, then I'm gonna have you show up on September 22nd. About how much jail time we're gonna get. All right?
Okay.
All right, you can take him down, let him go, and I'll get an order down there shortly.
Okay.
Defendant was arrested on a warrant issued when he failed to appear pursuant to 2 separate summons issued herein. Period. After a discussion with the court, the defendant agreed that he will clean up his property in a manner suitable to the Sac City Police Department on or before 8 o'clock a.m. on September 15, 2014. An officer of that police department shall inspect the property on Monday, September 15, 2014, and contact the magistrate and advise whether the defendant has fulfilled his obligation. Period. If so, then this matter will be dismissed at the defendant's cost. Period. If not, then the defendant shall appear for a show cause hearing on September 22, 2014 at 9:30 a.m.
I know supposed to be here at 8:30 as well for another deal that happened last week
What's that?
for reckless driving.
Okay, what do you want to do on that?
I didn't know if I was gonna do that now while I was here.
That's
or-
probably a scheduled violation. I don't know that I have it on my schedule,
It
so
said 8:30 I was supposed to be here.
let me look. I didn't see that on my, usually if it's scheduled, they don't put it on my list. What do you want to do on it?
I guess figure out what's going on with that.
And are you gonna plead guilty or are you gonna plead not guilty? What were the circumstances? I put it on my schedule. I can look at it.
It's Shelley.
Does Justin Gosh have a reckless driving charge that he was supposed to appear on today?
Well, he does, but he has an attorney, and his attorney has already filed an appearance and it's already been set for trial.
Okay.
So he doesn't have to be seen for that particular charge because his attorney already took care of it. I think it was on Friday.
All right.
Okay?
Thanks.
Uh-huh.
All right.
Does that answer my question?